Don't watch if you have arachnophobia. Did you know that some spiders pack a punch that could be deadly? Here are 3 of the most dangerous spiders in the world. First up, the Sydney funnel. Wave spider native to Australia. This spider has venom so potent it can be fatal if not treated quickly. Next, the Brazilian wandering spider. It's not just aggressive. Its venom can cause paralysis and even respiratory failure. And finally, the black widow spider. While its bite isn't usually fatal, it can cause severe pain and muscle cramps.